So our first step in replacing the tailgate actuator is we're going to drop the tailgate. And these bolts we will have to take out, or screws. We'll use a T25 bit. Pull them out. And you'll continue to do all 8. I've already pulled a couple of them. We will move them out of the way. I recommend setting them somewhere they don't get lost. And then you should be able to pull the back side of your tailgate off. And there's your actuator. And you'll take a little mini screwdriver, pop these little clips off. Now the bars should come out. Next, you'll have 2 10mm bolts. Remove like so. You can do it with a hand wrench, or if you have an impact gun, you can obviously do what I did. Take them off like that. Now if we pull these rods out of the way. Next, you'll have 2 10mm bolts. Remove like so. You can do it with a hand wrench, or if you have an impact gun, you can obviously do what I did. Take them off like that. Now if we pull these rods out of the way, we should be able to pull the actuator up. There'll be a wire harness plugged into the back of it. There's a little pop clip here. You push the little tab on the side. There's a little push tab. You'll remove it like so. And now for this little tab right there, you can just wiggle it out. The screwdriver makes it a little easier. And it's out. There's the old one. There's the new one. They're the same part. I like to make sure, match them up, make sure they're the same. And now we'll just go back together. First thing you're going to want to do is set this camera up here. First thing you want to do is plug in your connector to your new one. It'll be a lot easier to do, but before you bolt it in, you still have that flexibility and it's not tucked into it. Then we're going to tuck our wiring harness in. Now that it's in, we'll line our bolt holes up. Like so. Now put your 2 nuts on. If you're using a gun, make sure you do not over torque them and break them. Does not take much. Now we got to pull the rod over. You want to just put both of them in the middle for easy access. Set it in the track. And now we're just going to fold down the tabs and push them in to lock them in place. We'll do the same thing on this side. Lower the tab, push down to lock it in place. And now all we have to do is put the back cover back on and we're done. And now We're using a T25 bit. And we just put the bolts back in. Just put all 8 in and you're done. Now that all our screws are in, I'd hit the button. You can hear the actuator engage, so we'll close it. There's the button, and she works. And that's it, folks.